tennis court and sporting grounds construction and repairs, Lismore region. Summerland Tennis has such a good reputation that clients are willing to wait months for work to be done. Established 40 years ago, the business constructs tennis courts, cricket pitches, and landscape turf around swimming pools. Servicing private, commercial, and government clients, Summerland Tennis already has jobs booked in for March and April next year. The business also offers sports line marking, synthetic grass replacement, fencing, landscaping, and other related services. All work is through word of mouth with no need to advertise, and no premises are required as the equipment is stored at home. Assets include a 2002 Isuzu 2-ton truck, Kanga mini loader, ride-on mower, concrete cutter, grinder, and more. The business is currently located in Lismore by choice, but could be based anywhere in the area. No special qualifications are required, just the ability to either do manual labour or organise others and communicate with clients.